Ethereum is at a critical point after we bounced upwards from this buy signal. We've broken up outside of our expected range and look to be retesting this as structure support. And just this move up right here in the crypto market has pushed the Trade Confident trading account up $13,500 in profit. Now, today's going to be a really important day, so follow along for Ethereum. You're going to want to pay attention to this. First things first, happy Memorial Day. We have a sale, a one-day sale going on today. You can get up to $450 off our indicators. Now, this is only limited to our first 20 customers this time around. So with that limited quantity, with that limited time, be sure to grab the indicators at the links in the description down below. More on that later. For our members, we saw 2 more trade wins as of today. So if you were in the Atom trade or the DOT trade with us, be sure to check out our website. Just click these links right here. It'll take you straight where you need to go to find the rest of the information you need for this trade. And with that, I also wanted to thank these members right here. These are brand new members, so thank you so much for joining us. If you want to join our membership, get access to those scalping trades, the links for that are in the description as well. With that, let's check out the charts. Taking you over to the TradeConfident.io website, we are now 21 wins, 0 losses, taking you straight to the Ethereum metrics. Now, the first metric we're going to take a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index, and as the price has risen over the weekend, we saw the metric rise as well into excited territory. This is pretty normal as the price rises up. This is actually exactly what we expected after seeing us fall into anxious previously. Moves up from there are pretty normal, and conversely, moves down from excited territory are pretty normal too. So as this price drops, as it already is, personally, I'm expecting the metric to drop into neutral, and from there we'll have to reevaluate. Next up is the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. Now, over the past couple of days, we saw insanely increased volatility on Ethereum. Most often, we see this metric go into low volatility. This is where we're going to be seeing pretty intense moves in the market, and that is exactly what we saw. So I do expect to see a little bit more volatility as this plays out. Moving on now to the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. As this price has spiked, we saw a massive orange bar to the short trade sentiment side, well surpassing the -800 level that we typically look for when looking for whale short trades to actually into the market, and therefore actual moves down as well. So this for me is actually pretty bearish. Next up is the Ethereum major support and resistance level. We have a ton of structure resistance at $1,785. Really, the $1,700 range in general is really strong structure support. So if we do drop from this point, 1,785 is my first point I'm looking at. However, as you'll see on the live charts, we are actually actively testing structure support right now. So if we bounce off this level, which I'm really hoping to see, this could push us up to $2,020. However, things are just feeling more bearish, unfortunately, at least in the very short term. So I will be paying more attention to that $1,785 level. Moving on now to the Ethereum long versus short trades, we are seeing gradually increasing short trades, which has correlated to a slight price move up. No movement up in short trades, so this is really good to see and somewhat bullish for the long term. Last but not least is the Ethereum daily trade scanner, and we got a buy signal right here that perfectly signaled the next move up in Ethereum. It was a beautiful call. We saw it back here with this buy signal move up. This buy signal right here saw a slight move up. This buy signal right here is the active move up we're seeing right now. So these buy signals are working perfectly. Conversely, we also got a strong sell signal at the top, a sell signal at the top, and personally, I'm expecting to see a sell signal right about here. And if that pops, that's almost a guaranteed move to the downside. So you're going to want to be looking for that, whether in the form of a metric with our membership right here, or with the discounted indicators that you're about to see me use. But before we get into that, if you want to get access to all of these Ethereum metrics, it's going to be really important to pay attention to these. If you want to get access to our trade setups where we are 21 wins, 0 losses with 10 trades pending, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. And because of the special sale, the membership is the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Just go ahead and scroll down. I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month because it gives you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, scalping trade calls, and many more benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. We look forward to trading with you, but for now, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the one-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. I want to scroll in here just to get a better look. You can see right here, this is the descending structure resistance that I showed you earlier on this chart. I said you'd be able to see it. This is where we're at right now. We moved up and broke up out of this range, this consolidation range that we were in for over a week, almost 2 weeks actually. We've broken up out of that and outside of this falling wedge pattern, which typically is going to be bullish. Falling wedges are bullish patterns that start in an uptrend and typically end in an uptrend as well. So we very well could see whales begin to push money into the market despite the fact that they are completely overbought at the moment. moment. Now that you've actually seen this range, I'm going to go ahead and delete it just to make the charts a little bit clearer here. Most often a breakout to the upside will result in a retest, and from there a real breakout, a bounce to the upside. So that's what I'm personally hoping to see. The indicators are showing a little bit more of a possibility of a drop back down to this level right here, the structure support, especially to intersect with this ascending structure support right here on this ascending channel pattern. Price versus while money flow is high and moving back down. This should show whales pulling money out of the market, and this correlates to the whale smart money metric earlier on in the metrics. However, trend exhaustion is not nearly in its top red section yet. We have plenty of room to move up, and this could be personally pretty bullish for me. We also got that buy signal, which resulted in the move up, and if we get a sell signal on this candle, this will pretty much guarantee that move down, as I said earlier, but again, only to about this structure support before we bounce and move back up. Whether we break to the upside now or we drop, retest, and break to the upside, personally, I think we're heading to structure resistance right at this intersection at our previous sell signal, right at the $2,020 range. This personally is my target moving forward for the next couple of weeks. Whether or not we bounce from here, our current structure support, or the price continues following this as structure support, bounces off this ascending structure support, and moves back up here to $2,020. From the current price, this will be a move of about 7% here. Not too shabby for Ethereum. So anyone that's in an Ethereum trade could be looking to exit pretty soon towards that $2,020 mark. Of course, that is not financial advice. Do not take trades on just my opinions here. Always do your own research. It's going to be super important. And in order to make the best possible informed decisions, you're going to want to pick up these indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. The TC top and bottom finder here predicts exactly what it says, showing buy signals at the bottoms, showing sell signals at the tops, predicting those tops and bottoms perfectly. The price versus while money flow will track whale money in the market, and where whale money goes, the price is very likely to go too. So this is extremely important. And if you want to use mathematical equations that you don't even have to calculate on your own, it does it for you. Use the trend exhaustion to predict when moves up are exhausted or when moves down are exhausted. This indicator is perfect for this. We're seeing tons of success, and I know our traders are too. So if you want to get access to all of these indicators, you can get them for up to $450 off right now. Again, all you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the very first link. Go ahead and click that. This is a 1 day only Memorial Day indicator sale. If you want to get access to these indicators, the best possible deal will be to purchase the indicator bundle pack here using code SAVEME50 for $50 off. The indicator bundle pack will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, several other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon code for the TC top and bottom finder. In order to get that, just click on the checkout link for the bundle pack, click I want this right here, put in code SAVEME50. It'll give you $50 off the indicator bundle pack right here. Put in your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off here, $349 instead of the regular $749. Just go ahead and click add to cart. You get that full $450 off. Make sure your information is filled out correctly, click pay, and we hope to trade with you soon. Once you have the indicators loaded up, just be watching for a sell signal from the TC top and bottom finder. As soon as we see that, that's likely where we're going to see a move down, possibly to this structure support where these two lines intersect, for a move back up. Again, if we get a buy signal here, up towards the $2,020 range. This is going to be really exciting. You're going to want to pay close attention to these indicators and the membership. All links in the description down below. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.